Sabarimala Ayyappan is one of the most revered and venerated deities in Hinduism, worshipped primarily in the state of Kerala, India. The shrine dedicated to Lord Ayyappa, located at Sabarimala in the Western Ghats, is one of the largest pilgrimage centers in the world, attracting millions of devotees each year. The temple and the deity have a profound religious, cultural, and social significance, which has shaped the traditions and practices surrounding them for centuries. This article explores the history, mythology, rituals, significance, and controversies surrounding Sabarimala Ayyappan. The legend of Lord Ayyappa is deeply interwoven with Hindu mythology. Ayyappa is believed to be the son of Lord Shiva and the demoness Mohini, who is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. According to myth, the demoness Mahishi, a powerful Asura, was granted a boon that made her invincible against all men. She was only destined to be defeated by the son of Lord Shiva and Vishnu. As a result, Lord Vishnu took the form of Mohini, and with Lord Shiva, Ayyappa was born. Ayyappa is thus considered a divine entity born to end the tyranny of Mahishi. The legend says that Ayyappa, with the help of his divine powers, defeated Mahishi and brought peace to the land. After his victory, Ayyappa chose to retreat into the forest, away from the material world, and live in seclusion. This is how he came to be worshipped at the Sabarimala temple, where he is said to remain in meditation, symbolizing detachment from worldly desires. The Sabarimala temple is located on a hilltop in the Western Ghats, at an altitude of about 914 meters, making it an arduous pilgrimage for devotees. The temple is dedicated to Lord Ayyappa, and the pilgrimage to Sabarimala is considered one of the most unique and rigorous in the world. Devotees undertake a 41-day period of penance, which includes celibacy, abstinence from alcohol, and a vegetarian diet before embarking on the journey. The pilgrimage is marked by a sense of austerity and devotion, with the goal of purifying the body and mind before visiting the temple. The temple itself is simple and modest, with a black stone idol of Lord Ayyappa placed in the sanctum sanctorum. The idol is adorned with silver and gold ornaments, and devotees offer their prayers and rituals to seek blessings from the deity. The temple attracts pilgrims from all over India, and people from different parts of the world visit Sabarimala, seeking spiritual enlightenment and peace. Sabarimala's rituals are distinct from those of many other Hindu temples, primarily due to the rigorous discipline required of its devotees. The 41-day penance, or vratham, is the cornerstone of the Sabarimala pilgrimage. During this period, devotees refrain from indulging in physical pleasures, alcohol, and non-vegetarian food. They also wear a special attire consisting of a black or blue dress, and a sacred string called Irumudi, which contains offerings and is carried by the devotees. The Irumudi, consisting of 2 compartments, symbolizes the balance between the material and spiritual world. One compartment contains offerings to the deity, such as coconut, ghee, and rice, while the other is for personal items needed for the pilgrimage. Pilgrims are expected to carry the Irumudi on their heads during the trek to Sabarimala, which involves a challenging journey through dense forests and steep hills. Upon reaching the temple, pilgrims offer prayers, perform rituals, and take part in various ceremonies, including lighting lamps, chanting mantras, and making offerings to Lord Ayyappa. The rituals are steeped in tradition and are carried out with deep reverence. Lord Ayyappa is regarded as a symbol of dharma, righteousness, discipline, and devotion. He is believed to embody the perfect balance between the divine and the earthly. Ayyappa's journey from the mountains to the temple is symbolic of the human quest for self-realization and the triumph of good over evil. Pilgrims who visit Sabarimala are expected to follow the example set by Lord Ayyappa and cultivate virtues such as patience, humility, and self-discipline. Ayyappa's significance transcends religious boundaries. The Sabarimala temple is visited by people from various faiths, including Hindus, Muslims, and Christians, who view the pilgrimage as a path to personal transformation and spiritual growth. Lord Ayyappa is often seen as a deity who unites people across different social and religious backgrounds, fostering a sense of unity and brotherhood. The Sabarimala pilgrimage has a profound social and cultural impact on the people of Kerala and beyond. The tradition of Ayyappa Seva, service to Lord Ayyappa, has inspired countless social initiatives, including community kitchens, medical aid, and charitable activities. Many devotees, after completing their pilgrimage, dedicate their time to serving others, creating a network of selfless service. The Sabarimala pilgrimage also plays a crucial role in fostering unity among people from different parts of India. The diverse nature of the devotees, who come from various castes, communities, and regions, underscores the inclusive nature of the Ayyappa faith. People set aside their differences and come together in devotion, symbolizing a deep sense of brotherhood and shared spirituality. Sabarimala has been at the center of several controversies in recent years, particularly around the issue of women's entry into the temple. For decades, the temple followed a tradition that prohibited the entry of women between the ages of 10 and 50, citing the deity's celibate nature. This restriction led to significant debates on women's rights and gender equality in Hinduism. In 2018, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the ban on women's entry was unconstitutional, leading to protests and resistance from devotees who believed that the tradition should be preserved. The issue of women's entry into Sabarimala remains divisive, with strong opinions on both sides. While some see it as a matter of religious freedom and tradition, others view it as an infringement on women's rights. The controversy continues to shape discussions on religious practices, gender equality, and the intersection of law and tradition in India. Sabarimala Ayyappan is not just a deity. He is a symbol of devotion, discipline, and unity. The pilgrimage to Sabarimala is a transformative experience for millions of devotees who undertake it with deep faith and commitment. Despite the controversies surrounding the temple, Lord Ayyappa's teachings of self-discipline, virtue, and spiritual growth continue to inspire people of all backgrounds. The Sabarimala pilgrimage remains a powerful expression of India's rich religious and cultural heritage, drawing people from across the world to seek solace and divine blessings.